And this thing is getting even more bizarre. One of the key allegations in her complaint against Justin Baldoni, she writes, they're acting like lovers.
And my nose is so big.
Yes. Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni's legal feud over the production of It Ends With Us continues to captivate Hollywood, but it's no longer just about creative differences or personal grievances. The conflict has spiraled into a larger debate about the consequences of public allegations, with some questioning whether Lively's claims are valid or exaggerated for personal gain. Media personality Megyn Kelly has stepped into the conversation, pointing out that this high-profile case could have lasting repercussions, especially for real survivors of misconduct. Kelly argues that if Lively's accusations against Baldoni don't hold up under scrutiny, it could lead to greater skepticism of legitimate abuse claims, a chilling prospect that goes far beyond the entertainment industry. At the heart of this scandal are allegations made by Lively, who has accused Baldoni of crossing professional boundaries and creating an uncomfortable work environment. However, the evidence emerging from Baldoni's legal team tells a very different story. Text messages, emails, and behind-the-scenes footage paint a picture that contradicts many of Lively's claims. One of her most publicized accusations involved a scene where Baldoni allegedly acted inappropriately during a slow dance sequence. Yet, leaked footage and audio from the set suggest the interaction was far more casual and lighthearted, with both parties joking about their spouses and other nonchalant topics. Baldoni's team has also released messages showing Lively inviting him into private spaces, such as her trailer, even during personal moments. These texts appear to show her controlling the level of access she allowed, undermining her assertion that Baldoni invaded her privacy. Additionally, footage that Lively described as uncomfortable or violating shows no clear evidence of misconduct but instead features the two colleagues interacting amicably. Critics argue that Lively's narrative seems to selectively frame ordinary professional exchanges as harassment, raising questions about her motives. Complicating matters further are allegations that Lively sought to take creative control of the film, sidelining Baldoni in the process. Insiders have claimed that she worked on her own edit of the movie, going so far as to threaten not to promote the project unless her version was used. These actions, if true, represent an unusual and aggressive attempt to exert influence over the production, breaking standard industry protocols. Additionally, reports suggest that her husband, Ryan Reynolds, may have contributed to script changes without Baldoni's input, further fueling the notion that Lively was attempting to seize control. Lively's public image, once polished and admired, is now under intense scrutiny. Fans and critics have revisited past interviews and public appearances, pointing out moments where she came across as dismissive or self-promotional. These observations, coupled with the revelations from Baldoni's camp, have led some to question whether her actions during the production were part of a broader strategy to dominate the narrative and protect her career at Baldoni's expense. Megyn Kelly's concerns about the broader implications of this case highlight why this feud is more than just a Hollywood scandal. False or exaggerated allegations can have real consequences, not only for the accused but also for survivors of genuine misconduct. When high-profile cases like this one fall apart under contradictory evidence, it risks eroding public trust in all claims of abuse, making it harder for survivors to come forward and be believed. Kelly warns that this is a dangerous precedent, as it shifts the focus away from addressing systemic issues and instead amplifies doubts about the validity of future allegations. Adding to the drama is Lively's reported request for a gag order to prevent Baldoni and his legal team from releasing further evidence. This move has been criticized by Baldoni's supporters, who argue that he has the right to defend himself against allegations they believe are misleading. So far, Baldoni has resisted attempts to silence him, continuing to share texts and footage that contradict Lively's narrative. These revelations have not only bolstered his defense but also shifted public perception, with many now viewing Lively's claims as part of a calculated effort to maintain control over the situation. The controversy has also drawn attention to the potential involvement of Lively's inner circle, including her husband Ryan Reynolds and close friend Taylor Swift. Leaked messages suggest that Lively referred to them as her dragons, implying that they could be used as powerful advocates in her defense. While neither Reynolds nor Swift has been directly implicated in the legal proceedings, Their names have added another layer of intrigue to an already complex case. For Justin Baldoni, this legal battle is about more than clearing his name. It's about defending his career and creative integrity. Being relegated to the sidelines at the film's premiere, despite his extensive contributions as director and co-writer, was a significant blow. Now, he appears determined to expose what he views as a concerted effort to undermine his work and tarnish his reputation. Meanwhile, Blake Lively faces an uphill battle to maintain her credibility. As more evidence emerges, the public is left to question whether her actions were driven by genuine discomfort or a desire to control the narrative surrounding the film. Her lawsuit against Baldoni, coupled with her attempts to block the release of damaging evidence, has led some to speculate that she is more focused on preserving her image than seeking justice. As the case unfolds, it has become a cautionary tale about the power of allegations and the importance of evidence. This isn't just a story about two celebrities clashing over a movie. It's a reminder that public narratives can have far-reaching consequences, both for those involved and for broader societal issues. The stakes are high, not just for Lively and Baldoni, but for how we handle claims of misconduct in the public eye. What do you think? Are Blake Lively's accusations valid? Or is this a case of Hollywood politics gone too far? Is Justin Baldoni unfairly targeted? Or does Lively have a legitimate case? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on this unfolding drama. This story is far from over, and as more evidence comes to light, the truth behind this high-profile feud will undoubtedly continue to spark debate.